everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Wish seller account. To log into Wish seller, first of all open a web browser. In the URL box, type in merchant.wish.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the Wish merchant website, click on login at the top right hand corner. If you don't have a Wish merchant account, you'll need to create one. For existing accounts, type in your email address or your username associated with Wish merchant. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click Log In and you will be logged into your Wish seller account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.